Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this in-depth video effect, like the shadow effect. You can use any video that you want, of course, and you can use any color. I'm just going to scroll down to the backgrounds and I'm going to find a color that I want. I'm just going to select this one. I'm also going to scale it up, going to select any shape you want. Just go to mask here, select reverse, and I'm just going to also adjust it to make it a little bit bigger. Then you're going to add in a black stock video underneath. If it's too short, just freeze frame it and delete the rest. Adjust the timeline, and I'm just going to enlarge it as well. Select the heart shape, and then you're going to have to reverse that. And then you're going to create then an in-depth kind of like shadow. So it looks like it's kind of in there. What I like to do is I also like to add in like a paper texture on top to make it look like it's like in a card, I guess. So go to texture, and then you're going to add in, I guess, like the folds one or the print one on top of the video. If you don't want to add it on top of this, just right click both, right click, create compound clip, and then it's just going to be applied to this and not the video underneath. And that's it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!